Okay guys, I got a 2025 Ford Expedition. I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter, the cabin air filter. Just going to open this. On each side, you're just going to push these pieces out. And you may have to do it at the same time. This whole door will come out. Just put that down. And then your cabin air filter door is right there. So over here, you're just going to push out the side areas, the ends of those. Just remove this. So you just push these pieces out on the side and then pull it up like that. Your cabin air filter is right here. This one's really easy to get to. Just remember your airflow is pointing down when you put this back in. I'm going to link one of these in the description. You can look at it, see if it's super dirty. You can blow it out with compressed air, or you can replace it. This one is somewhat bad, so probably get it replaced. I have to order one. But that's how you do it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And again, I will link one in the description for you. Thanks for watching.